Hi, today we're looking at phrases with the word just. Why? Because it has lots of different meanings. It's really difficult to translate this little word when it's in so many phrases. If you've ever looked it up in a dictionary, you'll have seen just how many fixed expressions you can use it in. So come on, let's take a look. I want you to notice how just changes its meaning with different parts of the verb. Present perfect. You smell nice. Yes, I've just had a bath. Just means very recently. I've only just arrived, so I haven't picked up the tickets yet. Only just means a very short time ago. Present continuous. I'm just making a cup of tea. Would you like one? Just here emphasises exactly now. Past continuous. What were you saying to Emma just now? Just now means a moment ago. Was going to or about to do. You beat me to it. I was just going to or about to ring you. Just here means very soon after now. Past simple. I just managed to close the door before the dog ran out. Just managed here means when something almost did not happen. He only just squeezed into his jeans. Only just here means by a very small amount. Now let's look at interruptions with could or can. Could, can, I just ask, tell you, say that. Just meaning if you know an interruption will be quick. Now let's look at a polite request with could or can. Could, can I just borrow your pen for a second? Just meaning a spoken request to make it sound more polite. And now a polite acceptance. Now this one's good at Christmas time. You might need this quite soon. Thank you so much. It's just what I wanted. Just here means exactly the right thing. Pretty good one to remember that. Here are some more phrases with just. It's just around the corner, meaning not far away. I just wanted to mention or say something. I just wanted to tell you something. Just meaning it won't take long. It's just as well, meaning that the result of something is good even though it's not what you expected. It's just as I expected. Well, that one doesn't need an explanation. This is just between you and me, meaning it's a secret. Just for the fun of it, meaning no particular reason. It's just one of those days, meaning it's not a good day. That's just up my street, meaning I really like it. That's just my luck, meaning I'm not very lucky. It might be a good idea to learn some of these phrases so you can use them and make sure you know the equivalent in your own language. Well, I hope you liked the lesson. If you have any other just phrases you want to share or you're not sure of the meaning, leave them in the comments box below. See you soon. Love and